Tired of staring at the same old Dreamweaver interface? Let's transform it into a workspace that sparks your creativity and boosts your productivity. First, let's dive into the preferences. Go to the Edit menu at the top of your screen and click on Preferences. This is your gateway to customizing nearly every aspect of Dreamweaver. In the Preferences window, look on the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Interface. This section is where the magic happens for changing the look and feel of Dreamweaver. You'll see an Appearance section right there. You'll find a Theme drop-down menu, click it, and you'll see a range of preset light, medium, and dark themes, or your custom theme if you have saved any. Go ahead and select a theme that vibes with you. The interface changes in real time, so you can immediately see if it's the right choice. But it doesn't stop there. Below the theme options, you can also adjust the font size of the interface elements, customize the code colors so that specific HTML and CSS tags stand out. Beyond the general theme, you can also personalize your workspace by rearranging the panels. Simply click and drag panels to your preferred locations. You can dock them, float them, or even create custom groups to match your workflow. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can completely transform your Dreamweaver experience and create a personalized workspace that's truly your own, making you more productive and comfortable while coding.